In this session, we will discuss numerical problem on hardness of water by EDTA method. This is in continuation of our session 3rd on hardness of water. Problem: 1 gram of calcium carbonate was dissolved in dilute HCl and diluted to 1 liter. 100 ml of this solution required 80 ml of EDTA solution for titration. Also, 100 ml of unknown water sample required 24 ml of the same EDTA solution for titration. After boiling 100 ml of the unknown water sample, followed by cooling, filtration and then titration, required 16 ml of EDTA. Calculate total permanent and temporary hardness. Solution is: standard solution contain 1 gram per liter of calcium carbonate. 1 gram of calcium carbonate dissolved in 1 liter. Therefore, 100 ml of this solution contains 100 milligram of calcium carbonate. Now we see that 80 ml of EDTA require 100 ml of calcium carbonate solution. Therefore, 80 ml EDTA is equal to 100 milligram of calcium carbonate. From this we can find 1 ml of EDTA is equal to 1.25 milligram of calcium carbonate. In 100 ml of unknown water sample, 24 ml of EDTA required for 100 ml of water sample. Since 1 ml EDTA is equal to 1.25 milligram of calcium carbonate, therefore 24 ml is required for 24 into 1.25 is equal to 30 milligram of calcium carbonate. Hence 100 ml of water sample contain 30 milligram of calcium carbonate, or 1 liter of water sample contain 300 milligram of calcium carbonate. That is, total hardness is 300 milligram per liter. For titration of 100 ml of unknown water sample after boiling, 16 ml of EDTA is required. So 16 ml of EDTA required for 100 ml of water sample. Hence 16 ml is required for 20 milligram of calcium carbonate. Therefore 100 ml of water sample contain 20 milligram of calcium carbonate, or 1 liter of water sample contain 200 milligram of calcium carbonate. That is, permanent hardness is 200 milligram per liter. To find out temporary hardness, we can use the relationship temporary hardness is equal to total hardness minus permanent hardness, and we find temporary hardness to be 100 milligram per liter. We can use alternative way to calculate hardness of water sample. Strength of standard hard water, which is 1 gram dissolved in 1 liter, therefore it is 0.01 molar, because molecular weight of calcium carbonate is 100. Standardization of EDTA: standard hard water with EDTA, we can use relationship M1V1 is equal to M2V2. Calcium and magnesium ions form 1:1 complex with EDTA. From here we can find out molarity M2 of EDTA, which is found to be 0.0125 molar. For finding total hardness of water sample, the water sample unknown, standard EDTA, because we now know the molarity of EDTA, we can apply the relationship M1V1 is equal to M2V2. We can find molarity of water sample unknown, which is found to be 0.003 molar. So total hardness of water sample unknown is equal to M1 into 100 gram per liter. 100 is molecular weight of calcium carbonate in terms of calcium carbonate equivalents. is equal to M1 into 100 into 1000 milligram per liter is equal to 300 ppm. On the same way, we can calculate permanent hardness of unknown water sample after boiling. M1 is molarity of water sample. It is found to be 0.002 molar, and permanent hardness after boiling. In this way, we find to be 200 ppm. We can find temporary hardness, which is equal to total hardness minus permanent hardness, which is 100 ppm. Thanks for watching this video.